In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an image to Mymind. Whether you're a seasoned user or just getting started, these steps will help you seamlessly integrate images into your Mymind collection, making your workflow both efficient and organized. First, open a new tab in your preferred web browser and type in mymind.com. Alternatively, if you're using a checklist or guide with interactive buttons, you might find a button labeled openmymind.com to click, making this part of the process even simpler. Once the website loads, navigate to the top corner where you see the Login button. Click it, and from the options available, choose Continue with Google or Apple, depending on which account you're more comfortable using for authentication. As you proceed, you'll be prompted with an Account Chooser pop-up. Here, select the Google account you want to associate with Mymind. It's important to ensure you pick the correct profile to keep your information synchronized across devices. After you're logged in and find yourself on the Mymind dashboard, it's time to find the perfect image you want to add. Open a new tab and search for your desired image using search engines like Google Images or platforms such as Unsplash. Once you locate the image you fancy, right-click on it. If Mymind's extension or site supports its direct integration, you'll see an option in the menu that says Add to Mymind. Click on it to directly save the image. If this option doesn't appear, fret not. You can always use the site's Save button to achieve the same outcome. With the image saved, navigate back to your Mymind dashboard. Seeing your image there can give you reassurance that all the steps went smoothly, confirming that the image is now securely stored in your collection. One crucial note to keep in mind is that the Add to Mymind context menu option is courtesy of the Mymind web app or browser integration. In case this doesn't show up, make sure that you either install the Mymind browser extension or use the website's built-in save options if available. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can quickly and easily add images to your Mymind account, building a personal or professional library that's readily accessible whenever you need it. Happy organizing, and thank you for joining me today.